to Play CCN. I'm your host, Sandra Rossi, editor of Climate Control News. Daikin has apologised to customers for service delays as a result of disruptions to its supply chain. Daikin UK said all industries are facing global pressures on product supply. According to a report in the Cooling Post, the managing director of Daikin UK, Angela McGinley, has written to customers warning that extended lead times are a current fact of life. The letter says supply chain issues have affected the company's ability to provide a stable level of service. Locally, a new report found that COVID-19 has actually presented opportunities for Australia to kickstart its manufacturing sector. Trade disruptions caused by the pandemic has led companies to move to onshore supply chains. The Innovation and Business Skills Australia Group has just completed a 6-month consultation with employers and manufacturers to identify what training needs are required to support modern manufacturing. There was huge support for more skills-based apprenticeships. The report has been released just in time for National Skills Week, which begins on the 23rd of August. India has agreed to ratify the Kigali Amendment to the Montreal Protocol. This is great news as India is a rapidly growing economy and joins the US and China as big consumers of HFCs. Panasonic has built a new factory in China to produce IAQ devices such as energy recovery ventilator systems and air purifiers. This is the second factory Panasonic has built in China for this particular product category. And operations began earlier this month, and the company expects to be producing around 200,000 units annually by 2023. Also in product news, Panasonic Japan has announced the availability of a new 80 horsepower CO2 condensing unit. It features a 2-stage booster machine using inverter control compressors and has a rated output of 45 kilowatts. Also this week, CCN, in partnership with the Australian Refrigeration Council, formally announced our top 20 NextGen apprenticeships under 25. The announcement was made yesterday, so if you go to the CCN website, you'll see a video announcement along with full profiles of our top 20. Well, that's it for our headlines this week, which were brought to you by Temper Zone. Thank you for watching.